Hi there, my dear Cancerian friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading for the week commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Cancerians. Take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation, and please just leave those who don't resonate in your situation. Okay. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Love and light. Namaste. Right. Okay, my spirit guides. Let's see. Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Cancerian friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Cancerian friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Sorry. Um, right, right. Let's see. The bottom of the deck is all again. I remembered this card is always popping in your reading since I started my YouTube channel in October 10th, 20th, 21st of October. So meaning for some of you, you are dealing with third party relationship, and someone in a third, someone is going to break. Oh wow. Ah, okay. Okay. It says in here. Okay. Three of Spade, meaning this card is there is a person in here who is going to break a relationship. Okay. And at the back of the card is a wish fulfillment card. Okay. It's either you are the one married to this person and someone, wait, um yeah, it's either you is committed in a relationship, and then there's a third party relationship in here, and then this third party relationship is breaking now this third person is now breaking the relationship. It's um okay, I can feel it in here that you are praying and hoping that this third person is going to leave the relationship so that there will be a harmonious relationship between you and then this your loved one. Okay. Or for some of you, it's you who is the third person in this relationship, and you are hoping and praying, and you have decided to leave this relationship now. And it's one of your, yes, Yeah, that's what I can feel it in here. And then for some of you, yeah, it's really involved in a third party relationship, which is a very chaos, negative energy, chaos, negative energy. And then this forbidden love is really gossips, gossips, gossips around you. You will be bombarded with rumors that will really make you emotionally unstable, will make you feel depressed. But you can be stubborn as well. When you're in love, even if you know that it's really giving you a negative energy, you chosen to. That's for some of you. But in here, this strong message in here is those who are who's been betrayed by their loved ones, then the third party is going to leave now the relationship, and now you're going to restart a harmonious relationship with your loved one. Okay, let's see. Um, Six of diamond, Six of gloves, meaning this card, it's a good card, for those who are lacking financial, those who are lacking of finance, but one started already a business. For example, those who are entrepreneur, and then you have started a business, but your finance, you run out of the budget, then someone is going to give you help to make that business success. Okay, for those who are having a financial difficulties, then someone is going to help you financially. Okay. Yes, ten of spade. Yeah, bad, not a good card. It's a bad news. You'll receive a bad news in here, and you are going to worry. Ah, yes. Okay, this is the one that I think, for those who are involved in a third party relationship, I think the third person is going to contact you. You will, yes, I think the third person is going to speak to you, to talk to you about and then maybe the person, I can feel it in here that this person will apologize and will tell you that this person is going to leave. Yeah, and the guilt is here. So, aha, someone is wanted to approach you, and this is the one. Yes. For those who, yes, for those who are not in a third party relationship, you will receive a bad news, and you are going to worry about, ah, yes, 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 about something that make you feel low. Yes, it's about romantic relationship, about finance, about business. Yes, someone, I think, in here deceive you, and you will not be happy with that. um Please be stay strong, my dear Cancerians. Okay, it's only a life test for you, life challenges, but after that, let's see. Queen of diamond, I gloves. This is a fire sign energy woman who is very confident and who will give you a good advice, full of wisdom, and these words of wisdom will enlighten your mind and heart. Okay, and you will use this enlightenment um, advice to uh, on your life journey. Okay, so those who are entrepreneur or the one in the job, maybe this is your boss, a manager who will give you an advice. If you are dealing with um, problems in the job. Ah, okay. For those who are working, okay, I think you will be dealing with a uh, a dispute, a relationship problems in the job, and then this is your boss who is going to approach you and give you an advice. Okay, for those who are entrepreneur, someone who is more knowledgeable than you about the business that you're dealing with will give you a tip, a hint how to make your business grow. Okay. In here, it says in here, beware four of gloves. This card means beware of lies, deceits. As I've said earlier on, someone deceive you. That's why you're having that bad news and you are worrying about it and you feel bad. Okay, let's see. That's why this fire sign woman is going to give you an enlightenment advice about that. See, after that, God, divine, the universe will send you a positive, um, despite of that negative energy that you're dealing with, don't worry. There is an ace of diamonds in here, and this is a beautiful card. There will be a positive message that there is um, changes that is going to happen in your life now. That's why that it's like you are dealing with a tower um, energy in here. Yeah, and you will rebuild the tower. You will rebuild your life to a new you. So there is a positive changes in here, a good message, usually about money. In it's really a good news now. Okay, earlier on it was the bad news that you're going to worry about, but don't let that affect you, my dear Cancerian friends. Okay, because there is a positive energy in here. So if it's about a relationship uh, problems, if someone left you in a cold, I can see it in here that you are going to meet someone new and you will get a ring from that person. Okay, for those who have loss loss of business and finance, there is a positive message that you are going to receive about money, about a new business that you are going to build and it will prosper. That one who have you lost is not really for you. It was just passing by. Okay. This one is really for you, destined to be for you. Okay. Um, you are now going to make more money. You're going to start a new things in life and going to start a new life path. Okay. You will receive a letter that will really make you very happy. There will be a financial abundance on the horizon, and please trust the process. Okay. There will be a celebration that is going to happen in here, and for some of you, a new job is going. Yeah, there's a new job in the horizon. Okay, dreams come reality in here now after all those tower moment that you experience, you deal. Yeah, so if it is still an ongoing, then remember this reading that there is a a bright future that awaits for you. Okay, so Stay strong. Okay. Deep breath. Trust your intuition. Follow your instinct. I know you can feel it that there is a light in the end of the tunnel. Okay. Oh my God. Ten of hearts. This is a card of good luck and success. There is a fortune now after difficulties. As I've said, you are going to attend a celebratory event. You're going to attend a party for celebration. Happy times, my dear Cancerian friends. Okay? Love yourself. Love yourself. Okay? A good luck card, this one. Jack of Diamonds again. This is a Jack of Diamond. This is an earth sign energy, younger person who will bring you like gossips, rumors, but it's just only minor. Yeah, you will receive um again a small just a gossips only, but don't let that affect you again, because you have endured already a lot of pain before in your previous um life. So now you built now yourself as a strong person. Yeah. And for those who are suffering from abdominal discomforts and unbearable pain, something in your abdomen, okay, you must seek a medical advice for that. Don't ignore, okay. Right. Let's go to the um tarot cards. Let's see what are the further messages from the spirit guides for you, my dear Cancerian friends, for the week commencing um 28th of November. Okay, the bottom of the card is Two of Wands. It's the maybe card associated with Aries energy, aligned to the planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to the third chakra. So it's a choice. So there is two paths in here that is presented to you. So you have to make a wise decision. Trust your intuition and follow your instincts again. Okay. So let's see. Oh, Five of Wands. It's a no cards associated with Leo energy and aligned to Saturn, planet Saturn, which is responsibility and discipline, and aligned to throat chakra. You have to speak up it in here. As I've said for some of you before, you are dealing with conflicts at work, fights at work, and conflict, fights, arguments, rows, disagreements, struggle, opposition, battles, aggression, temper, clashing personalities. So with that, please, um, it says in here you need to have a self discipline in here, okay? Because it's a conflict card. Earlier in the beginning of your card, remember, in your reading, I said, remember, I think I feel like you are dealing with conflicts, relationship problems at work. So in here, this card, it says in here that please, self-discipline and self-control is needed in here to avoid further conflicts. Okay, so that lady with an energy, fire sign energy, as I've said, will give you a good advice full of wisdom to enlighten your mind and heart. Okay, so Ten of Swords, endings, defeat. It's a bad card. It's a no card. I'm associated with Gemini energy, aligned to the planet Sun, which is conscious and ego. Lower your ego in here, and then align to sacral chakra. So there is, okay, because of gossips, betrayals, enemies, bitching, and bad mouthing, bitterness. So you will be tempted to have a relationship problems in here. So as I've said, try to control yourself. Okay, you better try to meditate, contemplate, spend time in nature. You are a water sign. Um, Zodiac, my dear Cancerian, so better to be in a. I think for me, I love staying in the seaside. Yes. Also in a place where a lot of trees, singing birds like that. You will feel better with that. Okay, let's go to the angel message for you, my dear Cancerian friends. Um, before you will become a successful individual, you will really encounter a negative people in here, negative energy, life challenges before you will become successful. So with that, then it makes you more stronger, more wiser. So don't give up, okay? Don't give up, okay? And please avoid being depressed and being anxious, okay? Try to discipline yourself and control, okay? To aware, being unable or unwilling to make a decision, a stalemate, pretending there is no problem. No, or being unable or unwilling to make a decision. No, no, no. Please, my dear Cancerian friends, make a wise decision, okay? Renewal. Number 20, Archangel Jeremiel. Review and evaluate. A favorable assessment of the facts. Time to move in a new direction. So now it's time for you to make a wise decision and choose the right one. Okay, the right one. Let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you. My dear Cancerian friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. Um, let's see, the bottom of the card is the Chariot. My God, this is your card, my dear Cancerian, the Chariot. You are the Chariot. Arabian horse. My friend is um, in the Arab country. You can successfully balance various or opposing energies all at and you can successfully balance various or opposing energies at once through determination and focus. You have earned the rewards and recognition you are receiving. That's right. Try to balance. Yeah. 16, life experience. It's a cuckoo. Important changes are coming into your life that will require you to take action. Don't hesitate to move in new directions you know are right for you. So your cards, or most of your cards, is saying you are going to a new direction. As I've said, trust the process, okay? Because I can feel it in here strongly, feel it in here that there will be a celebratory events that is going to happen because you will be victorious. You will be all those negative energies, negative situations are going to end very soon. Okay, so my dear Cancerians who are seeking an advice message from the spirit guides regarding their job, career, or business, let's see. Bottom of the card is success, as I've said. Wow, wow, success. The path you are on will bring you success and prosperity if you just keep going. So keep going, my dear Cancerian friends, okay? Lots of little steps take you a long way. You are on the right track. Good luck for that. Short term says this position is temporary. That is only temporary. It's a blessing in disguise. Okay, so don't give up. Don't give up. And take action now, my dear Cancerian friends. So don't be too attached to it. No worries, you will find something that's even more fulfilling and prosperous. Okay. So for those who have one question that is I'm seeking for a yes or no answer, think about it now and let's see. Okay, my dear Cancerian friends, if you will like this reading, then if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. The bottom of the deck, it's a yes card. Budding star. First blush bursting out on the scene. Wow. Wow, you will be a star. No, don't risk it all on this. It's a losing proposition. So if you are thinking to do something, no and yes card is maybe. So trust the process, trust your intuition, and follow your instinct. If you feel like it's time for you to do an action now, yeah, then go ahead. But if you feel uncomfortable, no, don't do that. Okay, trust your intuition. As I've said, trust your intuition because most of your cards are aligned to the third eye chakra. Sorry about that. That's my alarm now to prepare to work. Okay, thank you so much and good luck on your journey, my dear Cancerians. Love and light. Namaste.